Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics. In today's video, I will show you how to download Counter-Strike 1.6 onto your PC. It's very simple. You just need to follow me. I will show you step by step. And before I start, don't forget hit the like buttons. Likes are super important for me, and don't forget subscribe. Okay guys, to download Counter-Strike we need to use Steam. Of course there are plenty of other methods, but this is the best and safest method to download Counter-Strike because it's virus free, guys. You can download Counter-Strike from Steam. So I'll show you how to download Counter-Strike from Steam. You need to open the Steam account first of all and go to store. In the search bar you need to type Counter-Strike and click the search button. In the list you need to find the second one, which is called Counter-Strike. Open this. And the good news about this game is that it also includes Counter-Strike Condition Zero. So for $6.29 you are buying Counter-Strike 1.6 and Condition Zero. So this is the good thing about this game. So how to buy it? You need to click Add to Cart button right here. When you move on this page, choose Purchase for Myself. Here you need to choose the payment method. For example, PayPal. Click the continue button and finish the payment procedure. Once you will finalize your payment, you will see Counter-Strike into your library. Just go to library, and when you find Counter-Strike in the list, here will be the install button. Click the install button, and once you will install it, then you can play Counter-Strike 1.6. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like buttons. Likes are very important for us.